Hi, it's Kim, your spiritual leader here. So on January 1, we started our 100 days journey to the secret place. And the 100 days will end on April 10. That means we only have 21 more days till this challenge is over. So the first question is, did you take the journey with your spiritual community? And if not, why not? It's all up to you, of course. We're always at choice. And meditation is one of our 5 unity principles. But this is really a gift you give to yourself. We talked about that before the start of this journey. So, did you invest in yourself? Did you give yourself this gift? And if so, how has it been? We've had our meetings, we met weekly for a time, and now we're meeting every 2 weeks. Did you learn anything? If so, what did you learn about yourself or about your life? What has changed, if anything? And I guess the big question really is, are you going to continue after April 10? Are you going to continue after April 10 when there's no challenge and we can continue to meet? We can decide that. I think it was good to get together and have some conversation, and maybe we can talk about different things other than meditation. So think about your life and think about spiritual practice. If you do have a spiritual practice, what does it comprise and how does it enrich your life? Does it indeed enrich your life? Interesting, today on the internet TV show that I'm doing with my friends Melinda Wood Allen and PJ Stanley, both of whom are ministers at their own churches here in the area, our discussion today was about spiritual practice. I'll go ahead and put a link to that recording here in our email. But meditation was one of the things we talked about, as well as other rituals and other things that help us enrich our lives for a time, or perhaps it's something that we have done for years. But I invite you to think consciously, to really dig deep and think about your spiritual practice. What does it comprise? Is it indeed enriching your life? How might it need to change from things you are currently doing or things you've done in the past? There are all kinds of things that you can weave into a spiritual practice. You'll hear us talk about that in the recording. So we really need to just think about what would enrich our lives and what is meaningful to us. No one gets to tell us what that is. And probably no one knows what really speaks to your heart and helps you grow more deeply to embrace your divinity more completely. No one else knows that but you. So, again, I hope this 100 days journey to the secret place was valuable to you, that you did indeed learn some things, that your life was enriched, and that you've found some gifts, some insights, some discoveries about yourself that you didn't know before. That's the good thing about the spiritual journey. This is ultimately for us and how we show up in the world. So I invite you to dig deeper and deeper as often as you are willing to. Invest in yourself and invest in your life. It just gives us the best life possible. The best life possible. See you soon and keep going to April 10. Thanks.